Assalamu alaikum. Hello boys, how are you? Welcome to you in science class. Today we are going to start unit number 2, which is about states of matter, solid, liquid and gas. So open your books, page number 26, so that we can start.
السلام عليكم
السلام عليكم
أستاذ كريم.
وعليكم السلام.
How are you, teacher?
I am fine. How are you?
I'm fine. السلام عليكم أستاذ مسعود. Good afternoon, teacher. I am Faisal Khalid.
Hello Faisal, how are you?
I am fine, thank you. السلام عليكم أستاذ مسعود.
Hello Saud. Open your books, page 26. Solids, liquids and gases. Anybody can tell me about this topic. What do you mean by solid, liquid or gas? Yes.
السلام عليكم أستاذنا سند.
Hello Sanad. What do you mean by
Hello,
solid? Yes. Hello.
Teacher, my name is Muhammad Al Harthi.
Hello Muhammad Al Harsi. Hamid Muhammad Al Harsi.
أستاذ
Yes.
راح ناخذ
Yes.
liquid gas و solid liquid gas.
Aywa. What do you mean by solid or liquid or gas? Do you know anything solid?
سؤال سؤال أستاذ.
Solids yani?
Hi, teacher. My name is Rayyan.
Hello Rayyan.
Solid أستاذ قوي.
Aywa. Solids yani gavi. Yes. Then liquid. What do you mean by liquid? Okay, solids.
سائل.
You can give me example. مثال يعني كيف؟ يعني ايش solid؟ ايش solid؟ مثلا.
زي الحديد السائل.
Okay, then
teacher.
water is liquid. Yes. Okay.
Liquid.
Wood is solid. Okay.
دخان.
Dukhan is solid.
Teacher, heating. Solid and liquid is heating, teacher.
Heating. Okay, that is heating is not a kind of solid, liquid or gas. Heating is energy. That is the other thing. If you heat solid, it can turn into liquid or then gas. That is the other point. You can tell me anything solid in your room. في البيت في الغرفة الحين موجود معك أي شيء هو solid. Anything which is solid. Yes.
السلام عليكم
Excellent. Yes, Zaid Ahmed. Thank you.
منبس هاي.
Solids mean anything which has a shape يعني شكل.
استاذنا منبس هاي.
Hello منبه. Solids يعني في شكل. في ايش؟ شكل. مثلا laptop, mobile, clothes, pencil, pen, book, glass, table. Okay?
حتى المويه.
Your clothes, okay? Bottle, that is solid. Liquid means like water, yani zay moya. مثلا water, juice, petrol, oil, Pepsi, okay? Then rain, river water, anything which is like water, it can flow. Hello, Rashid. It can flow easily. Understood? Then gases are like hawa, zay, dukhan, bukhar, that is
Teacher,
like
gas
smoke.
are not easy to see. They three are
Yes, gases are not easy to see. They can flow easily. They fill the container. These are their properties. Gases are like the air or like smoke, okay, like steam. Those are
okay,
solid
teacher.
gases. Okay. In this module, find out how that matter can be solid, liquid, or gas. Investigate how materials change. Now let me finish, please don't talk. Investigate how materials change when they are heated and cooled. Okay, understand that melting is when a solid turns into liquid, and that melting is the reverse of freezing. That melting is the reverse of freezing. Yani freezing and melting, these are opposite. Observe how water turns into steam when it is heated and that it turns back into water when it is cooled. Okay, the diver is swimming in the liquid under a solid. He is breathing gas. So here you can see this man is, yes, this is water, which is liquid. He is wearing solid and he is breathing through gas. Yani huwa tanaffus mal gas cylinder. We live on the watery planet. 70% of the surface of the earth is water. 70% यानी 70% मौजूद मोया गलर्ज الأرض 70% موجود ايش؟ مويه water on the earth. Only 3% 3% ايش؟ the dry place. Okay, Muhammad Abdullah Al Amri, you are here?
No.
Who is with me? Muhammad Al Amri, who min hada? He left. Okay. So we in this unit we will talk about solids, liquids, and gases. This is your homework. Here you can see solid. This is word cloud. Okay. Matter, gas, particle, liquid, freezing, boiling, melting, and record. These are words in word bank. We have seen solids and liquids many times. Discuss with your partner example of solid, liquid, and you have seen today. Think about foods and drinks and things in the classroom. So we can discuss solid, liquid, and gases as we discussed before, like water, oil, Pepsi, juice. These are liquids, and solids are chair, table, pen, our shoes. These are solids. Any questions about this? Okay.
Teacher,
Yes.
the gas in the picture, how is it different from solid?
The gas is different from solid. How? We will discuss this. Don't worry. Okay. We will discuss in this unit everything. Don't worry about it. Gases are not
Okay, okay.
easy to see. These are gases in the air all around us, but we cannot see them like air. हवा मौजूद कुल्ल मकान. Air is everywhere, but you cannot see it. They are transparent. Transparent यानी इनका शुफ में जुआ. You can see through it. Some gases do have color. These are easier to see. Like here you can see chlorine gas is green. That's why we can see it. Look at the gas is in the picture. How is different from solids such as ice or wood, such as ice and wood.
أستاذ سند ناديتني.
Sorry, no. Okay, it is different because it is not solid. It is not hard. It is not hard. So you will write this here. It is not hard. It is not hard. Look at the picture of the kettle here. This is kettle. This is kettle. Okay. What is the white cloud? What is this called? Here you can see white. What is this cloud? This is steam. Steam. This is steam. Do you think the kettle is hot or cold? Why? Huh?
Hot, teacher.
Yes, it is hot. The water has to be hot to make steam. To make the steam. Okay. This steam is there to- Yes, write this there. Okay, hot. The water has to be hot to make steam. Okay, while you are writing, let me finish your attendance. Finish it quickly so
Teacher,
that we can
wait.
move. Yes, I am waiting.
Register.
Be quick. Surah. So here we go. Don't open your mics, just finish and tell me when you finish. Okay. Abdul Fahad, Kareem, Ayham, Badr. Badr, are you there, Badr? Badr Zahrani.
Wait, teacher.
Okay, I'm waiting.
أستاذ آخر واحد يا أختي ما يكفي. أكتب في
اكتب
الدفتر.
تحت ما في مشكلة. اكتب تحت شوي. اكتب صغير. محمد همام موجود؟ مؤيد ياسر؟
أيوة أنا محمد همام موجود.
اوكي، مؤيد ياسر، نواف السفياني، رامي.
سلام.
اوكي نواف.
سلام.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله يا نواف. نواف العمري، رامي تركي الزهراني، Rashid is there, Rayan, Sanad, Saud, are you there?
Hello. Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Yazan?
My name is Ryan. Yes, teacher.
Okay, Yazan, thank you.
موجود.
Okay, Rashid, done. Ziyad.
Teacher.
أيوة يزن كتبت يا حبيبي. طيب.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Fahad Abdul Rahman Al-Sufyani.
Yes, teacher.
Fahad Abdullah.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Ziyad. Okay, thank you.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Fahad. Fahad Abdullah Salim. Fahad Abdullah Salim. Umar Mu'taz.
موجودة عمر معتز زيوف.
Okay, thank you. Fahad Abdullah Al Utaybi.
Yes, teacher. I'm Fat Saud Al-Bishi.
لا اسمع يا حبيبي. I said Fahad Abdullah Salim Al Utaybi. Badr Zahrani, Muayyad, Rami, and Fahad Abdullah. Okay, this is done. Finished? Wala baki?
No, teacher. No.
Yes, finished. Yes, teacher, finished.
Okay. So we will go. Okay, I will send this picture to you. Don't worry. Select video.
أستاذ ناديتني أنا رامي. أستاذ أنا موجود.
Okay, Rami. طيب, I am our Rami. Okay, I will send this to you. Don't worry. طيب.
أستاذ
أستاذ أنا كنت في الحمام وما كتبتها.
Okay, Rami, I will send you the picture in the group. Okay, don't worry. Open page number 28. 28. Here you can see the. This is your homework. Okay.
Teacher, I write it.
Okay, this is your homework. By the way, I am telling you, this is your homework. You will do this and send it to me. طيب? Okay.
طيب.
Okay.
يعني كده.
Okay. Now, here you can see air, right? And lazim hawa. What is this? Air, solid, liquid, or gas? Yes.
Gas.
متى نروح نصلي؟ Teacher.
Please wait
The
with
next
me.
one.
Gas.
This is gas, G-A-S. Then this one ice. This one is solid. And last one water is liquid. Very nice. Solid, liquid, and gas. So we can find out substance is solid or liquid or gas by looking at it, its characteristics. Yes.
Finish homework.
مؤيد ياسر انت موجود؟ مؤيد ياسر او فهد سالم.
موجود.
فهد عبد الله سالم.
أنا موجود.
طيب يا منبه انا ما في كلام. كريم, don't open your mic please. Look at the picture, label the pictures by writing the words in the correct boxes. This is your homework. Okay. Let me read for you. Substances are blood, carbon dioxide, milk, copper, stone, oxygen, petrol, paper, wood, and plastic. As you can see, blood is liquid, so they filled this box for you. Rest of the boxes you will fill, whether it is solid, liquid, or gas. This is your homework. Understand?
Yes.
Got it?
ايش استاذ رحت صلي.
Okay. Take your time. The chair we sit on, the water we drink, and the air we breathe are all made of different substances. A chair is solid, water is liquid, air is a mixture of gases. So we have three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Look at the list of substances table and you will finish this. With your group, make up some rules to identify solid, liquid, and gases. Okay, we will do this when you will come back. Anyways, I will tell you so that okay. Carbon dioxide is a gas.
كذا انتهت الحصة خلاص. Teacher, I
Milk
finished
is
it.
liquid. Okay. I am just doing to send this in your group.
Mister, I did this a long time ago.
Copper is solid. Okay, just match with me. Stone is solid.
Mister,
Oxygen is gas. Yes.
I did this a long time ago.
Okay, that's great. Petrol is liquid. Paper is solid. You will color it properly, okay? Wood is solid.
Plastic is solid.
Plastic is solid. Color it properly, okay?
أستاذ الأول.
Yes, color it properly. So here you can see character.
I finished, teacher.
Okay, let me write for you these lessons, then we will discuss
Teacher,
characteristics.
can I leave?
No, don't open your mic. Don't open your mics, please. Let me finish. Page number 29, question number 1. Which substances are solids? Page number 29. Okay, you will write here wood, metal, and plastic. These are solids. Then liquid, water, olive oil. Then last one, which substance are gases? Carbon dioxide and oxygen. Okay, so here you can see in this characteristics, you finish this and I will read it for you. Sana dekhte bhi habibi, usko. Characteristics of substances. The characteristics, yani fifth, characteristics of substances describe the way it looks, feels, and behaves. We use characteristics to show whether a substance is a liquid, solid, liquid, or a gas. We call solid, liquid, and gases the three states of matter. How many states of matter are there? Three states of matter. Three states of matter. Okay. Then characteristics are for solid. Characteristics are solids have volume, they have shape, they are very dense, they are not easy to squash, hard to squash, and we cannot squash them, and they cannot flow. Mafi flow. Liquids can have volume, they don't have shape, they are dense but not very dense, they are hard to squash, and they can flow easily. Flow easily, yes. Gases, they don't have shape, or they don't have volume, they don't have shape, then they are not dense, they are easy to squash, and they can flow. Yes, they can flow. So if we check around us, we see wood, metal, plastic are solid, water and olive oil are liquid, then carbon dioxide and oxygen are gases.
Teacher, I am
Yes,
finished.
Thank you, Hamid. Okay.
You're welcome.
So here we discussed solids, liquids, and gases. These are characteristics.
أستاذ ما فهمت الهوم وورك.
هذا homework يا حبيبي. This one.
ما فهمته.
ايش ما فهمت؟ solid ولا liquid ولا gas? Water is liquid, juice is liquid, petrol is liquid. You will color the box under liquid. If that is liquid, if this is gas, color gas. If it is solid, color solid. فهمت
ما
يا
فهمت
نوى؟
أستاذ.
ايوه.
Thank
Just
you.
identify. You are welcome.
أستاذ نلون نفس ما أنت لونت. لون.
Yes, color it.
Goodbye.
Why?
خلاص كذا انتهت الحصة صح؟ أنا ما أظن.
أستاذ زي كذا. أستاذ اللي خلص يطلع.
Just wait for me, please.
أستاذ زي كذا.
I can't see you. Okay, this one is your home. يا حبيبي شوية انتظار. من كلام goodbye. I said goodbye.
Right.
انتظر, please wait. This is your homework. Identify solid, liquid, or gas. Okay.
Page what?
This is not a page. This is worksheet. I will send it to you.
يعني نطبعها.
Subaha, oh, finish this and send it to me. Okay, you can see inside this bottle. في الجوا ما في برا. في الجوا إيش موجود? Liquid. This one is solid. Inside the balloon, gas.
Gas.
This is solid. The football
Solid.
is solid.
Gas.
Inside this green, that is liquid.
Liquid.
Then stone, liquid. Water, liquid.
Liquid.
This one, liquid. Stone is
Okay.
solid. Okay. This is your homework. I will send this in your group, WhatsApp group.
أستاذ عايز ترجع أستاذ.
Okay, understand? Here you can see.
Yes.
Okay, let me do it for you. No problem. This one here in this bottle, you can see liquid because fil juwa mawjood liquid. Okay. This one is solid. Sorry. Solid.
أستاذ
Okay.
هذا الواجب.
Yes, هذا واجب. I will send this to you. This is gas inside the balloon, not balloon. Balloon is solid, but inside there is liquid. SOLID. Solid. The key.
Teacher page what the homework. صوتك قاعد نص قاعد يقول برر.
Yes, yes, I know. This is liquid.
Teacher.
Yes.
Page what? Page what teacher?
Who is saying page?
Me teacher فهد السفياني.
Father Sufyani, this is not a page. This is worksheet.
A sheet?
Yes, this is a sheet, worksheet.
Sorry, I don't know.
This is solid. This is liquid. And this is liquid as well. Okay, so there is only one gas.
I have picture.
Others look like solids and liquids. Okay, so this is your homework. فهمت ولا لا؟
Yes, teacher. أيوة أستاذ.
شو صفحة كم؟
Goodbye.
هذا ما في صفحة يا ولد, هذا worksheet. Okay, غايبين مؤيد ياسر, he is absent, and
Teacher,
Fahad
can I
Abdullah
leave?
Salim. Fahad Abdullah Salim is absent now.
Teacher, can I leave?
Yes, okay, goodbye.
سلام سلام أستاذ. سلام.
Yes, Nawaf Al-Amri, I can see you. Goodbye. See you next time.